Okay, so we're going to be talking about two different strategies today. And these strategies are going to help us solve number strings within 20. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and clear your desk. Go ahead and clear your desk. Clear. You can have a pencil out. Everything else needs to be put away.
What about my hand?
Put it away.
I can't see it
It's okay. Rise all the way on your bottom, please. Everybody should be sitting all the way on their bottom so the people behind you can see. And make sure your desk is cleared off. Azalee, clear your desk. Put it up. Clear your desk. No, put it all the way. Alright, by the time I get to 0, I want desk clearance, laps empty, pencils still. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Put it under your desk. Put it under your desk. Okay, so we did a review game on making on addition within 10. So like 2 plus 2 equals 4, anything that adds up to 10 or lower. Now we're going to be going up to 20, okay? So we're going to talk about strategies you can use when you're adding within 20. 9 plus 1 equals what?
10.
10. 9 plus 1 equals 10, right? So, let's see.
You have to push it. No. You have to push the green thing.
Oh, there we go. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, so we have 9 red fish. We add 1 blue fish, and we get 10 fish. 10 fish.
Well done.
So 9 plus 1
equals 10.
Okay, listen, I hear too much chattering. I need you to be quiet, okay?
We have 9 fish. Now add 4 more.
So when you have, this is called a number string when you're adding numbers together. One strategy you can use is finding numbers that equal up to 10, okay? Another strategy you can use is you can make 10 and then what's left over, add it to your 10. So that's the strategy we're going to talk about now. We've got 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equals a bigger number than 10, okay? Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fish here, 9 yellow fish. If we add 1 fish, it'll give us 10. Okay? Now we need to add the rest of the fish over here on this side. So if we have 10, we used 1 to make this 10. How many do we have left to add? 3. 1, 2,
Nice move. You added 1 to get to 10, plus 3 more. How many fish are there altogether?
raise your hand if you know the answer. Noah.
13.
13 fish. Let's see if that's right.
Awesome.
I'm doing that.
9 plus 4 equals 13.
9 plus 4 equals 13. Do you see how making it 10 helped?
14.
Do you see how making it 10 helped? Yeah.
Add 8 plus 2
I already know.
8 plus 2.
and add 2 more.
I know you're
Now
going
we
through
have
this
any
easily.
fish
I
out
get
there.
that. Okay. All right, Cadence. What is 8 plus 2?
10.
10. Good job.
10. Yes.
8 plus 2 equals 10.
Easy peasy.
I'm doing the next one.
Now let's add 8
Sit on your ball.
plus 4.
All right. To
We
get
have
8 plus
8
4,
Now add 4 more.
we've got to add 4 more fish. We're going to make 10. So how many do I need to add to make 10, Hazley?
12.
No, try again.
2.
I said Hazley. 2. Okay. So let's try 1, 2. So that gives us 10. Now, if we added 2 to make 10, how many more do we need to add?
2.
All right, let's try it. 1.
Zoe, you added 2 to get to 10, plus 2 more. How many fish are there altogether?
Kinsley. 12. Let's try it.
8 plus 4 equals 12.
8 plus 4 equals 12. Very good.
Let's add 7 many fish are there?
How many fish are there, Azalee? 10.
Indeed.
Who said
7 plus 3 equals 10.
7 plus 3 equals 10. Now let's try a harder one.
Now let's add 7 plus 4.
7 plus
We
4.
have 7 fish.
There are 7
Now
fish. We have to
add 4
add.
more.
We have to add how many to make it 10? We have to add how many, Harrison, to make it 10?
11?
3.
I know the answer.
1,
It's 11.
2, 3. Now we have one more left over.
11. Well, 10 plus 1 is 10.
Rylan, how many more do I need to add?
No, 2.
Nope, not 2.
1.
Ryan.
1. I saw. 1. I 2.
Alright, so we have 7 fish here. Okay, guys, listen. I need you to stop calling out answers. I will call on you if I want you to call out an answer, okay? After she's finished. If you have an answer, raise your hand, please. Do not blur. Okay, so we've got 7 yellow fish here. We've added 3. Yes, in a minute. We've added 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. We've got 1 left over. So we have to add 1 more.
Good job. You added 3 to get to 10, plus 1 more.
11.
How many fish
Why
are
did
there
you blurt out the
altogether?
answer? I just told you not to blur answers. Bentley, what is the answer? 11. Good job.
Well done.
Okay, lots of us need to go to the bathroom. You're just
7
going to have
plus
to be
4
patient.
equals 11.
I need to go to the bathroom. No, seriously, I really have to go.
You're going to have to wait. We have a lot.
Now let's add 9
All right, let's
plus
try
7.
this last one. 9 plus 7.
Add
We have
7 fish.
9 red fish. We're going to add 7 more fish. How many more do we need to add to get 10?
1. I know.
1.
I know the answer.
Okay, now how many more do we have to add?
6.
I said do not blur answers. Cadence.
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Woohoo!
I know the answer.
What is 9 plus 7?
All right, Kinsley, can you tell me the answer? What is it? 16. Very good.
17.
9 plus 7 is
She's
like
not
adding
blurting out
10
answers.
plus 6.
You're yelling.
The total is
Rollins, give me
16.
It's a chicken nugget. It's his ball. It's his
Now let's add 5 plus 6. Add 6 fish.
It's a chicken nugget.
Okay, raise your hand if you would like to volunteer. Noah, come up here.
Hey, can we do it in number order?
Okay,
Cool.
Noah, I want you to solve this problem and tell us what you're doing as you're solving it.
What?
What are you trying to do? How many fish? How many yellow fish do you have?
5.
5. And how many are you adding to make 10? 5 plus what makes 10? 5.
6.
Right. Now, is that 5 plus 5? That's not what it's asking, right?
5 plus 6.
It's asking what?
5
5
plus 6.
plus 6. And 6
Yeah.
is 1 more than 5.
What is 5
What's your
plus
answer?
6?
Do not tell them. Very good.
I
Good
am
job.
impressed. 5 plus 6 is like adding 10 plus 1. The total is 11.
I want to eat ice
Lawson,
cream.
come up here.
Now let's add 8 plus 5.
He's been
Add
good.
5 fish.
Okay, let's talk about this. We've got 8 fish, 8 yellow fish here. How many are you going to add to the 10? Go ahead. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2. Okay. Now what do you need to do? Add 3? Okay, try it.
Yes! What is 8 plus 5?
8 plus 5 is 13. Very
8
good,
plus
Lawson.
5 is
All right, I'm
like
going to
adding
take one
10.
more volunteer. I need Christopher.
The total is 13.
Christopher Jones, the Laddie. Wait,
Where are these
Christopher,
fish
show us
always
in your seat.
going?
They're going to school.
Did y'all like that joke?
No.
Where are the, get off your
Oh, yeah. It's practice time.
What was the joke?
3 stars to finish the
Where do
practice
fish
round.
go?
Let's practice
Pool.
together
Because they
to
swim
more
in
than
the
10.
Tony.
This is so
What are these
easy.
addition problems?
There's more.
Which
Miss
problem
Gilbert, can I do
do
the
you
next
think
one?
will add up to more than 10?
Go back to your desk.
Good thinking.
Noah, go back to your desk. Very good.
You can use 10 to help you add 9 plus 30.
Rylan, please stop.
Start with 9, then add 3 more. Tap the 2 to add 3 fish.
Okay, so you had 9
Nice
remnants,
move.
you added 1 to make 10, and then you
How
added 2
many
more.
fish are there
What is your
now?
final answer?
Choose the correct number.
Those easy. I can use them as a
What
shovel.
the?
Get beat.
Very good job. You
But I
were
did the next
very
one.
good.
That's not even hard.
Let's do more.
There's one more. Oh.
Which of these problems do you think will add up to more than 10?
I want to do it. I want to do it.
Okay, I'm going to talk to you for a minute. Go sit down.
You're beyond.
Okay, so this is a way to solve numbers that equal up to something larger than 10. I'm speaking, you are not. Guys, I'm speaking, you are not. Look at me, eyes on me. Okay? This is a way for you to solve problems that add up to a number bigger than 10. Noah, go to your desk. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a couple practice problems that are going to be a little more difficult because you guys seem to fly through those, okay? Alright, so you can use the make 10. Do not get back up into your seat. You can use the make 10 strategy to solve a number string.
Miss Gilbert, we're now trying to stop them.
Yes, you may go to the bathroom.
Finally!
8 plus 2 plus 3. Yes, sit down. 8 plus 2 plus 3. Do you see a way for me to make 10 here? Kinsley, how could I make 10? 8 and 2. What does 8 and 2 equal? 10. Now you have to bring down this 3. Kinsley, what is 10 plus 3? 13. So when you have a longer number string, longer than 2 numbers, you can use the make 10 strategy to solve this problem. Okay, let's try another one using the strategy we just talked about. Let's see. We've got 7 plus 4 plus 2. Okay? If I have 7 plus 4, is that equal to 10? No. What can I do?
I know the answer.
What can I do, Cadence? Explain it to me. What can I do? I've got 7 plus 4. That does not equal 10, right? But it almost does. So what can I break that up into?
Miss Gilbert?
Look, I could do 7 plus 3, and then I'd have to add my 1 and my 2. But this is an easier problem to solve, isn't it? What is 7 plus 3? Cadence. 10.
I know Austin, don't blurt out. 13. I did not. Yes, you did.
Do not blurt out answers. Ryan, what is the answer?
A trail.
Okay, 10 plus 2 is 12.
I know. I know what it is.
10 plus 1 plus 2 is what? I know you know if your hand is raised. Ryan.
Trail. The answer.
Okay, look. 10 plus 2 is 12. We still have to add 1. What is 12 plus 1? 13. Very good.
12. You know Can I go to the bathroom? No.
Okay, so there's another strategy. Abigail, did you need to go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Go. Alright, so there's another strategy that you can use, and it's called the doubles rule. Okay? So you can look at your number string, and you can see if there are any doubles.
What is that devil's rule? What?
Okay, do you see it? Go to your seat. Do you see a doubles in this number string? Kinsley, what is the doubles? 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 equals what?
8.
Who is scooting their desk? Please stop.
8.
4 plus 4 equals 8. And then we bring down our 6 and our 2. Do you see another strategy we can use here? Noah, what's the other? Lawson, go to your seat. What's the other strategy we can do? No, look, we're down here.
8 and 2.
8 and 2. What do 8 and 2 make?
10.
8 and 2 make 10. So now we have 10 plus 6. Rylan, what is 10 plus 6? Kinsley, what is 10 plus 6? 16. Very good. Okay.
Brother is 16. Your head is 9. Chris, Blue, Clarkson, Hale, and Noah will let Wildcraft video. It's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Guys, no. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Mac and cheese. I need you quiet while you wait on me to prepare our next activity. Okay? Quiet. Quiet. Please sit down. If you have food or drink, you need to put it away. Go sit. And then go sit in your seat. Alright, listen, hocus pocus. I need you sitting on your bottom. Harrison, drinks do not go at our desk. Go put your drink up. I need you sitting on your bottom, quiet, and your desk still cleared. You two. You two. Ashley and Christopher, put it up. Ezra, under your desk.
Can we
Put it under
stand
your
up
desk.
and dance? Why did I get out?
I said put it under your desk. Thank you. Alright.
Can we sing?
You can sing along, but please don't get out of your seat. Okay?
This crash quality in that one.
Throw that away. Throw it away.
Okay,
I got one more for you.
So
You're supposed to be in your seat, remember? Harrison and Noah.
why is this trash? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Trash 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 3 equals 6. Kick it.
Can you see all these doubles? They're all around you out there. Minds to butterflies. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Yeah. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 7 plus 7 14. Peachy keen. Look at all these doubles. Can you find doubles really well right now? I bet you can.
No, I can't.
8 plus 8, 16, my queen. 9 plus 9, 18. Jelly? 10 plus 10 equals 20.
Lawson.
That's plenty.
Okay, so we can use doubles. We can use doubles as another strategy when we're adding number strings. Okay, Rollins, you need to be in your seat. Do not get out of your seat. Okay, so I'm going to show you another number string that's using the make 10 strategy and the double strategy. Hocus pocus. you are not. Harrison, that was very rude. Okay? All right. Cadence.
I'm not doing it.
Keep your hands to yourself. Keep your hands to yourself. Okay. I'm going to write another number string, and it's going to use doubles and make 10. Sit on your bottom. Sit on your bottom. And we're going to see if we can solve it. I'm going to pick a special lucky volunteer to come help me. It's going to have to be someone who has been doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, I choose Bentley. Go to your seat. Go to your seat. Bentley. Here's my pen. What strategy can you use here? I see two different strategies you can use.
What?
What's one? What is that? 9 plus 1 makes 10, so write your 10. Now what do you have to do? Bring down your 7.
Look, you got double. It's a double.
Right,
We're gonna add double.
Plus.
Double.
Now bring down your 1.
10,000 equals 1,000.
Alright, right, plus 1. Yeah, look, right here.
I can add double. 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 You mess it up, you can add double. 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 You can add double.
What is 7 plus 1?
Double.
Okay, so write 8 down here. You gotta bring down your 10. You just write it. Right, plus 10. What's 8 plus 10?
18.
Equals 18.
Let's go on. No. You didn't say.
Okay, wonderful job. I need a round of applause for Bentley. That was a good job. Okay, so there were 2 different ways you could have solved this. He chose to use the make 10 strategy. That's enough. Lawson, desk. He chose to use the make 10 strategy, so he did 9 plus 1 equals 10. He could have done the double strategy and done 1 plus 1 equals 2 and then brought it down that way. So he could have done, watch over here, I'm going to put it in a different color so it doesn't get mixed up. We've got 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1. He could have done 1 plus 1 equals 2 and then brought down his 7 and his 9. Ryland, do you have a problem?
Yeah.
Good, stop.
Alright,
Alright, so we've got 7 plus 9 plus 2. What is 7 plus 2? Cadence, what is 7 plus 2? 9. So we would have ended up with 9 plus 9, which is what? 18, but that's another doubles, right? So we can use doubles as a strategy, and we can use making 10 as a strategy.
What's 18 plus 18?
18 plus 18, what do you think?
88. Let's go. 88.
36.
What's 36 plus 36?
72.
What's 72 plus 72?
Oh, I don't know if I can go that high.